Abunga b'Eserekari abamenyekane na United Opposition bakoragwa n'umurai w'ikiama gya DCP Rigathi Gachagua nigo baikirana ase misa ya Nyagusira Joseph Konzolo Munyao ime ye kanisa ya Nairobi Baptist okwana kurasi chinsemecho niga sentundende babeire bakogikiria Eserekari ase ogoturubania emerobelio anene maiga yogoturubania obochorio boke ase chinsemo chiricha mbere north okwana nigo bayanekire kubwatirana ase obwamo na kwerobelia bwikirano asogo chigokora AMAONCHORERIO mwaka bwechiri 2025 mulikeito Daniel Omwaga no roboti rwa senchira yobwagale
abarai ao anene kurwa abaliensese moyo kunyameria serikali United Opposition nigo bekana asomoye gabo mwere kegima bwoko mwenye omugaka Joseph Konzolo Munyao oywe okabeire omurikyo monene bwo oyo kabeire omurai wense imirio mwa Kibaki asomoye gokorekana ime yekerisia ya Nairobi Baptist Church aigeme muchi o Nairobi yagati yabara yabo namo na Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua uyo kabeire omokonyi bw'omurai bwense ya Kenya omurai bw'ekiama kiria gya DP Justin Muturi murai bw'ekiama kiria kiwepa Patriotic Front Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka Martha Karua amaono murai ODP Kenya Eugene Wamalwa okwana ekero ky'omunyegoywe Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua nigamotona Joseph Munyao unomosani bw'abantu nabaigomora yorwandere tobosibwere bw'abantu imayense ya Kenya achinga kichiaye ekara gokora imeremo no yokabeire omurai bwense mwa Kibaki.
His contribution to the growth of the Democratic Party as a strong political party reminds all of us the need to develop strong political parties for democracy in this country. I really admire consistency and true friendship because Joseph Munyao was a true friend of Mzee Mwai Kibaki, the greatest president Kenya has ever had.
Ase ensemo ya Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka nigamotoma Joseph Kolonzo obuno murayo bwatu byamasyo bone konsesemo yorongorwa bokamba anene asensemerie ge siasa nonyeni ko Kalonzo nigarekanya ko nyamochi ya serikali asaene kebuna ekiama keria gya DP ekiyekura ne Justin Muturi nkiabwe tukura chiri chambere no tiasabo chorobo kebwa korekana korende asaene kyanga oyore koligia oburai bwe kiama ekigwetera ase kiama keria gya DP Newton Kariuki uyo manyekene ebuna karise nero bwetomo bwikorende akoru bwibwaye senchera yobotutukanu.
We are here to honor a very distinguished honorable Kenyan leader. Mzee Munyao was one of our finest even as a community of Makueni and Ukambani. I want to in my own view say DP did not lose in Bere North so that Konzolo will rest in peace. It was something else.
Akero engaki ya yego kwana yaika omosubati Martha Karua nigaene kebuna ense ya Kenya nigoere asa kongomono na kuboria wa Kenya kuba maiso anene chinga kechi torochi obochorio bonebo mwaka w'ekiberongebere 5
Our country is at crossroads. And it is up to us, all of us, the clergy and lay people, politicians, everybody included, to weigh where we may have gone wrong and where we need to correct. The truth shall always be the truth. However much we cover lies or falsehoods, they will never graduate to become the truth. We need to change the way we do things. And yes, Bere and Malava, and all this by-elections, something was terribly wrong. But as citizens, we must ask ourselves, even though we are oppressed, are the gifts worth it? Because they confuse and give room for meddling. We are coming to a general election in about 1.5 years. If we do not retrace our steps, we stand to lose our nation.
Eugene Wamarwa omurai gwe kiama kiria gia DAP Kenya nonyenere nigamotona Joseph Kolonzo Munyao buno monto bobongaini obonene mono ase arekana korute kiara agi okomochia Eserekari uchia sabara bali babwate ndoto oyokonyochara Kenya na kababunense ya Singapore asaene kyabuna abara yaboni gobagane tio bongaini obo igoro mono elyo gwikirani amarorabo.
Those who are talking about Kenya becoming a Singapore, it will take integrity in our leadership. It will take the kind of leadership that we have seen in Mzee to change this country.
Ninkolipoteria hegeteseni Egian Soko TV. Nchenkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga.